In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and DJI Air 3 combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The DJI Air 3 combo is a game changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 combo captures stunning 48 megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 combo offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. Comparatively, both the HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone and the DJI Air 3 combo offer impressive features for drone enthusiasts. The HS175D GPS Drone Package provides a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, while the DJI Air 3 combo boasts dual cameras, capturing stunning 48 megapixel images. The HS175D offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is quite impressive. However, the DJI Air 3 combo does not specify its flight time, which could be an important factor for potential buyers. Both drones have intelligent functions, with the HS175D able to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3 combo has omnidirectional obstacle sensing and offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. While the HS175D is priced at $169.99, the DJI Air 3 combo is significantly more expensive at $549, suggesting that the latter may offer more advanced features and capabilities. Both products have high review scores, with the HS175D at 4.1 with over 5,950 reviews, and the DJI Air 3 combo at 4.5 with 678 reviews.